Okay guys, welcome again in a new video. In this video I will discuss with you how to develop this operating system to complete my big project is for make all commands is iconic commands inside the menu for any file type like this. So if I make, for example, new text file, so right click on the text file, I'll see all is almost is iconic and like this and everything is okay, but I want to develop this one for this edit and print. I want to add two icons to print icon and edit icon. I want to make this edit with notepad. Okay, this editor notepad is the editor of text file, so I want to add the icon for this text file. So what is the location for the registry is responsible for changing the icon for edit and print. Okay, let's open the registry. Okay, inside the registry I'll search for a text file, txt file. Okay, and inside this txt file I'll open the shell. I'll see inside the shell open and print too. I cannot find edit here. Okay, print already here, so I can change the edit of this text to give it an icon here, icon. I'll call it shell 32.dll, 163. Okay, this is the icon for printer. So if I right click on the text file, I see the printer shape. So because iconic commands is attractive for eyes, so if I right click, if I want to print this file, I'll take time to search for print. But if I look at the printer directly, so I know this is printer, it means print. So if I click print, it will execute the command. Okay, so I want to give it an icon for this edit. Edit is missing for me, so if edit is not available here for text file, I'll add it. I'll create this new key. I'll create a key, I'll name it edit. Okay, the new key I created now will be replaced. This edit will be replaced because I don't know, actually I don't know the location for this edit, so the new edit will be replaced in this okay, instead of this one. So I'll create also another sub key. I name it command to run command. Okay, so I want to make this edit to be iconic. So beside this edit, I'll create a new icon. Okay, I'll name this icon. The edit will be by notepad. So I'll write here notepad exe, notepad.exe. So this is the icon for the edit menu. So right click on the text file, I'll see the edit available and it will be, so it gives a message because I didn't create a sub commands. I didn't write anything inside this command, so I write inside this command notepad.exe space done %1 means selected items, like I told you before. So now the command is ready. Okay, right click on the text file, I'll click command, so it will be edited by this icon notepad. This is the first project for this one. Okay, also the same, if I create a new for example registry file, registry entries, so the edit also for this one, edit and print, is not available here. So I want to make it command, because if I want to print all the commands written inside this registry icon, so this script should be print if I want to revise. So the print icon, where is the icon? So I'll here I'll search for reg file like this. In under this reg file shell here, I see the edit already available here, but not iconic. So at the edit at the right side, I'll create a new string. I name it icon. Inside this icon I'll write, because the edit will be by notepad, so I will write notepad.exe. So now right click on the registry entries, you will find edit, and the print also will be the same icon, and it will be shell 32.dll, 163. Okay, this is the icon for printer. Okay, edit, and now edit working, and also for this text file is working. Okay, the question now, if I create a new, for example, if I wanna create a new image, okay, new image, BMP image like this. Okay, this is a BMP image. So right click, edit. Also edit is not iconic, and print also is not iconic, not iconic commands, because I wanna make this edit. If I click it edit, it will open with this imagine. This imagine is a browser, only a viewer, image viewer, not editor. This is not a editor, right? So let's take the ready prepared before this my image. Okay, I'll take a copy, keep pressing control and drag, make copy. So this edit is this imagine this one, this is program name is imagine. This imagine is only viewer, picture viewer, like this, but it's not editor. I wanna make edit by MS Paint. I wanna create this edit to become like I don't wanna like this. I wanna open or edit this image by MS Paint. So where is the location for this one? The location is imagine, also under HK class root. I write imagine dot.bmp like this. Inside this imagine.bmp, I'll go to shell. Inside this, I'll write open and print. I told you, if I create anything under shell the same like here, already here, so it will be replaced. So I'll create a new key here. I'll call it edit. Okay, and also I'll create sub key. I'll name it command. Okay, also I beside this edit, now I wanna edit this BMP or JPG. This is JPG file, not, so this is not the location for here. I want a JPG, so I'll here imagine.jpg shell. Here there is no edit here, but edit here, I told you it's already here, but I don't know the location. But if I created a new location, a new key here for this JPG file, so it will be replaced. The old one will be replaced. So new key, I'll create it, edit. Okay, at the right side, what application, what is the associated program should be responsible for editor as a default editor for this image? I want to make MS Paint as a default editor for this image, so I want to click edit to edit this picture by MS Paint. So how can I make this one? Beside this edit, I'll create a new command, subkey command. Okay, beside this edit, I'll write the command. I'll give it an icon for this the edit. I wanna give it icon by MS Paint, so I'll name it icon. Okay, and double click on this icon. I'll write MS Paint .exe, enter. So if I click the image, right click now, I'll see this edit. But if I click it, it will not work because I didn't write the command. So let's see, it's not working. So let's go to the command. Under this one, I'll write MS Paint .exe, because this is the associated program responsible for as an image editor. So I'll write MS Paint .exe as not asterisk, this %1 means selected item, because this is the item. If I selected this item, this selected item means %1, this %1. So this is the command for edit picture JPG. So right click of the command, it will be edit by MS Paint. So the edit, let's check the command again. MS Paint.exe *1. So this is the command for editor. So this is the icon for editor. So everything is okay. Okay, this is shell. So right click, edit. So the user was not found. BMP was not found. This is BMP. Where is the BMP? This is JPG. Okay. So I don't know. Is it okay or not? Let's pause to check the program. Stop. Okay, maybe because this command is not written correctly. So if I put this %1 between double quotation, it will work successfully, because this is image, not text. That's why it's a little bit different. Okay, so right click now, edit, so working. Okay, edit this image. Also I can take the same for all of these pictures. If I create a new BMP, so I cannot find this edit and print. Also I didn't give a command for print. You know, the print command is icon, the same like before, shell 32.dll comma 163. This is the printer shape or printer icon. So right click on the print. This is for JPG, not BMP. Right click, you'll see the printer here. If I go to the same like BMP, go to beside print, I create a new icon here, the same shell 32.dll comma 163. It will give it an icon here. So right click over this JPG, you will find print. The BMP, you will find print icon, but edit for BMP not yet finished. So I'll go to BMP, beside this edit I'll give it a command icon for this one. Icon. Okay, the editor for the JPG will be MS Paint. MS Paint .exe. MS Paint.exe. So right click, you will find edit is, I didn't create a command inside. I'll create the same like before. MS Paint.exe. Okay, between double quotation, %1. I'll close the double quotation like this. So now BMP editor, now I can edit this BMP. Okay, and also I can edit this JPG edit and print finished, and also the edit working, and print also working. Okay, print also working. So the JPG print working, this is print, but the other one edit also working. Everything is okay for print and image like this. You can follow the same, okay, for all the file types. For example, if I want to make a new CMD, Windows Command Prompt, this is CMD file, so I go to the same CMD file, I write like this, CMD file. This is the CMD file. I'll open shell, also edit, right click. We edit this one by Notepad. Okay, so I want to edit and print to be Notepad. So right click, I create a new icon. I'll name it notepad.exe. So it will give it an icon. So for edit, right click on this CMD, I'll see the edit, so it will work successfully. Okay, print also, I'll give it an icon, because the icon command for print is not available. So right click here, print icon is not available, so I'll create under print key icon. I'll name it the same, shell 32.dll comma 163. So this is the icon for printer. So right click on this CMD file, I'll edit, will work, and print also will work successfully, and everything will be okay. Okay, because print to PDF or print to TXT, because printer is not available now, that's why he take the same procedure. So I think it's enough for now. The next video will be about the new project. I'll share it with you to give you more and more experience about how to modify the system file and make all commands inside the Windows operating system to be iconic commands. So one by one you will learn many things, and you will be very strong about modification, operating system modification like this. So now we reach to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.